welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm actually gonna make gingerbread biscuits. I actually can't pronounce it. I've actually written it down and you'll see it there. It's actually called Elisenlebkuchen. Now, a lot of you probably know how to pronounce that. I don't, I've got no idea, but I do know these are the actual authentic biscuits that we're making. And it's mainly nuts and spices that's in there. I'll get the spices together. Okay, so just add the flour, the candied peel. Now you can find my recipe on my videos. I'll mix it all together just so when you put the candied peels in the food processor, they don't stick together. Toss the peels into the food processor and we'll finally mince it. Okay, that's it. Oh, look at that, you should smell the aromas from the candied peels. So you just beat 4 eggs in the mixer. So let's beat the eggs. Sugar. The vanilla extract. And the honey. Now I like to get the honey from the farmers markets. Now if it's too hard, just melt it. Now mix that till it's all combined. Now we're going to add the almond meal, the hazelnut meal, salt, baking powder, and also the gingerbread spice. Now I can't pronounce this properly. It's called Lebkuchen Gewürz. Now there is a recipe online for you to follow, so follow that recipe, but for now I'm going to call it the gingerbread spice. And the minced candied peel. Now what we'll do is mix this vigorously. Oh, you should smell the aromas. So you mix it for about 2 minutes until it's really well combined and just scrape down the sides of the bowl. Mix now onto the communion paper, which is called bakeries. I've actually purchased it online on Amazon, to be honest with you, which is this one here. Actually get hold of larger communion wafers, it's better because I've only got the 50ml ones. You're actually better off using 75ml. So get your wafer. So I'm just putting the spoon in there. Now look, it's whatever's easy for you. You probably would decide to pipe this on here. When you've finished adding the mixture to the wafer, bake them in the oven at 150 degrees for 30 minutes. For the biscuits with no sugar glaze, get your blanched almonds, cut them in half, pop them in the middle of the biscuit prior to baking. So they're ready. So what we're going to do is pop these onto a wire rack and let them completely cool down before we go to the next stage. We're going to prepare both glazes, so we're going to do the chocolate glaze and we're also going to do the sugar glaze. So all we need to do is get your dark chocolate, your coconut oil, put this in the microwave and stir occasionally just till it's completely melted. That's melted lovely. For the sugar glaze, use the icing sugar and milk. Now, if you want it completely opaque, what you do is replace the milk with water. But if you actually want it whiter, you replace it with fresh cream. Pop the milk in with the sugar. Now mix it all in together. Okay, so what we'll do now is set up the rack for the cookies to sit on top so the drippings are caught. Okay, so we'll dip the top part of the cookie into the chocolate and then just pop it on to the dripping tray. Now while it's still wet, you get your blanched almonds. Now you can just put one in there. You can put, oops, 2 in there if you like. There we go. Traditionally you put 3, just to give you an example. There we go. Dipping as many chocolate ones as you like and putting on your blanched almonds. So you can put 3, 2, 1, maybe none if you don't want to. It's entirely up to you. So let's prepare the sugar glaze. Again, dip the same as the chocolate, so dip in the cookie into the glaze. Give your hands a bit of a clean and we'll pop the nuts on top. There we go, so what we'll do is let them set. Okay, let's pop these in the box. How exciting is this? Alright, see you again soon. Little helper go around with the biscuits.
Alright,
okay.
So which one am I going to go for?
Anyone you want.
Chocolate.
I knew you'd go the chocolate. We all will. Is it?
Chunkier than I expected. I thought I was expecting gingerbread, but really not.
Yeah, you like it? Beautiful.
Thanks for watching my video. Bye for now.